How to make a quiz using Google Form. Log in to your Gmail and then go to your Google Drive. Right-click Google Form. Change the title of your document, and below it you can write some descriptions. The first item there should be their full name. Don't forget that. You can check the students' responses here. Let's check the Settings tab. First, make a quiz. Enable this one. Would you like to return the form after each submission or later after manual checking? If you want to let them see their missed questions, correct answers, and point values, enable these functions. You can also default question point value if you want to have 1.1 item or per item 2 points. For responses, would you like to collect email addresses? Or would you like to send responders a copy of their response? Or would you allow response editing? And would you like to limit to one response only? So you can enable or disable. For presentation, manage how the form and responses are presented. You can disable or enable them. It's up to you. You can go over them for the defaults if you would like to enable or disabled. Let them type their name and choose the short answer. You can also duplicate the test item and then change the question. After typing the question, you can choose the type of question: paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, or drop down. For instance, multiple choice. So you have your answers in every choices. You can edit the test question. Let's try check boxes. Let's duplicate the test item and then choose drop down. You can edit anything in the test item. Sorry for the spelling commas. You can also use image in the test question. Locate it in your computer and then upload. Type the question. You can resize the image by dragging the corner of the image. Then edit the answers. You can choose which type of questions do you like. You can also enable the required button. You can also delete the test item if you want. Now let's see the answer key button. You can put any point values here. Choose the correct answer and click the Done button. You can also upload images as answers. Let's try again the answer key button. Choose the correct answer and type the point values. Click Done. You can see the total points on top. We can see students' responses here in Responses tab. To create a link, go and click the Send button. And click the link. Shorten URL and copy. Paste the link in the URL to open the form. Now, students will answer. Type their name and answer the questions. This red asterisk shows the students are required to answer the question. Click Submit if the students are done. Now, let's check the responses from our form. This shows we have one response. You can see the summary, question, and individual tab. If you have input the correct answers, then it's autocorrect form. You can see the total points values on top. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.